awaits this moment most, when the sun awakes to walk its way. The steaming lights came in. I will stand and wait for him, like the little birds do for the day. The sun links and posts, and may the little bird be free, without chains, without cave, but with a key. To my heart he will find his way. That little bird is not just for me. The moon remembers just and laughs. That bird will sleep in my arms. You, sun, might protect him before any harms. But it's me who he feels secure with, not the sunlight's shining myth. So sun and moon and bird live on in extra world. The sun never reached the bird, and the moon never was a rival. So the bird lived happy at total.